Hey everyone, it's Jen. I am back with a process video. I am going to do a traveler's notebook layout. This is a standard size insert, and I'm just going to use the Planner Society kits from July, and I'm going to do a layout of a photo of my kids at the beach. And this kit is absolutely stunning and perfect because the theme is beachy. There are a lot of die cuts that have to do with the beach, and the colors are just so vibrant and pretty, and I am so obsessed with the colors in this kit. And there's Hollow is literally one of my favorite things this year, and I just have a ton of Hollow in my planner, and to add it to my traveler's notebook spreads, like, that's just amazing. I love it. So what I'm doing here is I cut down a piece of paper to fit my insert, and then I'm going to use a piece of vellum on top, and I'm going to make a shaker page. So I'm just taking out all of my sequin stash, and I'm going to pull out the colors from the floral print at the top left. So I'm pulling yellows, mint green, some light blues, and some lavenders and some dark purples. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a shaker pocket page, whatever. Usually I would use my sewing machine, but my sewing machine is all tangled and clogged with thread, and I can't get it out. And it's so sad because I love my sewing machine and I love making shaker pockets. It's one of my favorite things to do in layouts, but I'm just being a little too lazy. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna fold the vellum over. In hindsight, I should have cut the vellum a little bit bigger so that when I fold the flaps over, I can glue it down. I could still glue it down, but it's just not a lot of paper to glue down. And then I'm just going to glue that page down. And I also should have used more sequins. I should have been extra. The kit also comes with these. They look like 3x3 cards. I don't think they're 2x2. Maybe they're 2x2. And I'm just going to mat that on the floral paper because I wanted all of the colors to come in. And I love how the letters are in hollow on that card. So I'm going to work on the other side of my paper, and I'm going to mat that photo of my kids. And I'm going to pull out the washi from the Washi Tape Society kits, and I'm going to just run that along the left side of the page. And I'm going to take the skinnier washi too as well because I love the colors. And I'm just going to go ahead and play around with the placement with my photo and some of the die cuts, and I'll let you watch, and then I will be right back. So I actually have some letters that are holographic, so I pulled them out and I want to do my title. And I also have these word stickers in my stash, and they're also hollow as well. So that was just perfect for me. So I wanted to write in. I did a little bit of faux calligraphy there. I'm doing Summer Vibes as my title, and I'm just figuring out the placement, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stick all of that down. And then I'm going to put down a couple of hollow word stickers on the bottom. And then I'm going to glue a couple of sequins to the other side of the page, and I'm going to call it done because I love how this turned out. I also wrote that it was our Myrtle Beach, South Carolina trip 2018. And everything is documented, and I love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.